Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make katogo, and this is katogo of cassava and beans. What you need is dry beans and you have to wash them very clean. And then I'm going to use my pressure cooker to cook them because I want them to cook fast. Normally dry beans take a very long time to cook. So we are using a pressure cooker to cook them so that they get ready on time. And then we also need cassava. I'm going to be using one cassava. It's slightly big, though it looks small in the video, but it's quite big, and this cassava is going to serve 4 people. So you can use any amount of cassava you have depending on the number of people you're cooking for. And what we do is to peel the cassava. It's very easy to peel it. You just cut through with a knife and then you remove the cover. Mine is a bit hard, that's why it's giving me a little bit of hard time, but normally peeling cassava is very simple. After you cut your cassava into nice small shapes, you first cut long rectangles and then you cut very nice square shapes. That is what makes the katogo to look very nice. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. There is a red word down below. Please press it. Hit the notification bell for more videos. Like my videos. Leave your comments just in case of anything. In case you want to talk about something, please leave your comment down below. So we are going to fry the beans, and then you start by frying the onions until they are tender. Then you add in the tomatoes. We want the tomatoes to also be a little bit tender, and then we add our carrots. You can use capsicum if you want, but today I didn't use it, but it adds a very good flavor to the food. And then salt. Be generous with your salt, though you have to be sure that it's not too much salt. I've added some coriander, chili powder, and of course turmeric. Then I'll add the beans and leave them to cook for a few minutes, and then I'll remove them and put them in a separate container. Then put the cassava and pour the beans over the cassava. We do this because if you put the beans below, they will end up burning. So you put the cassava down and then you put the beans on top and add some water. The water doesn't have to be too much because we don't want our katogo to be very soaked. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of ghee. This brings out the flavor of the katogo. It really comes out nice and very tasty. It actually has a very nice milky taste. And our cassava is ready, as you see in the video. Very nice. You can see how it looks. Thank you for watching the video.